Morning, folks. It is the 22nd of December, 2021, and we're looking at the NQE Mini, which is the NASDAQ. And I've already made three trades today. And if you follow my channel, you know I really like the first 5-minute candle. Well, I trade the high of the first 5-minute candle, so I buy above it. And lately, it hasn't been working out for me very well. I get stopped out pretty easily, so it's just kind of been all over the place. So I've done better with a 1, 2, 3 reversal where you can see this coming. This was the overnight, which I was not trading. Where it goes 1, 2, 3, breaks above the high, you get your 20 points. Well, today I traded the first 5-minute candle and got stopped out, got in again and got stopped out again. And so I looked at my stochastics and everything over here. And these are red lines right here are the 50% level. This is the RSI, which is relative strength. And this is the slow stochastic, which is 50% line here. And then the MACD, of course. So everything was pointed up. And once the theory behind all this is once it's above the 50%, it's that it is going that way. It is going in the bullish direction. If all three are above that. And same goes with the going below it. If you notice here, here, and here, it went down in the overnight. So, but I mainly trade this to the upside. So what I've noticed though in the past here recently, since the first 5-minute candle has been knocking me out of the game every once in a while, or more often than not, I just on that third, so I lost 2 trades there, and on the third try I put it above the overnight high. It was 85. So I put it in a buy stop in above 85.25. And when it broke, it zoomed on through. And instead of taking my regular 20 points, it looked so strong. I moved my take profit up to 25 and got it. So got my losses back, made a little money. I was very happy with that. And I think for now, I'm going to just be buying above the high of the overnight. And I've done that in the past, and it seems to have worked out. I remember it working out before, but in the last few weeks, this was really going strong over the last couple of months, actually. It's been going strong just buying the first 5-minute candle. And you still could have stayed in the game. A lot of people trade this where so on this candle, the high is, I'm looking over here in this chart, the high is 70.50 and the low is 33.25, but they'll put that stop below that low. And that's just too much heat. I'm the low risk trader, man. I don't like losing money, and I'm not going to risk that much money. That's $800 or so. So I'll risk 100, but I don't want to risk as much as what is the norm, is what they say. So all in all, I did okay today, and like I said, these videos are for my reference too. I can always look back and see. Instead of keeping a trading journal, I keep videos. So. I appreciate you watching this far, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up if you don't mind, and then I will also subscribe if you'd like the channel, and you'll get notifications every time that I post a new video. And I try to put out a couple of weeks. And what I'll do is, if I get a few losing days in a row, I won't waste your time on a video just because I get stopped out. I'll incorporate and show those losses in one of my winning videos. So I'll show you that, see, I'm still showing you my losses, but I mean, if you just show a real quick trade and then it's done, that's just a waste of your time and mine too. So anyway, I hope I didn't ramble too much, and I appreciate you watching. So till next time, and oh, by the way, have a nice Christmas if I don't post between now and then. And also, good trading on you, and we'll see you next time.